put the steps here. So click on open folder. It will open a folder inside here, like, Excel file. So inside that, you need to put all your files like this. After putting the files there, just click on import data. It will show, it will tell you, how many files you have put in the folder. Like in this case, it's saying 11 files. Click yes to extract data. So we'll click on yes. You can see the status of the, processing here. Like it's now processing the lender. Okay, once processing is completed, you'll see a message like this. So now we can see, how many rows are imported from the files. Like in this case, it's saying 11 rows. I can click on this open to verify. This will open the files. So okay. So here you can filter by the lender name, E07, I think. Yep. So it's showing me this 7, okay. Yeah, 11. And how many columns are found? Basically, there are 50 columns, unique columns out of the files. And out of those 50 columns, um, it says 11 columns are found, 19 columns are found, like that. 35 columns are found. So, yeah, so you can see the data here. And yeah, you can map the columns here. This is the column name in the data sheet. Sorry, yeah, ignore that. Just name it data sheet. So yeah, this is the column name, and this is the column number. This is seller name is 8. Let's say SBA fees is in 4 column. So you can see here SBA fees in 4 columns. And yeah, this can be named as ongoing SBA in other files. So for instance, borrower name can be borrower name, deal name, etc. in different files. So if you find a, different name in a file, so you can add by putting a semicolon and then the new column name. Similarly, face amount is like original loan, original face, like that. So you can adjust the mapping here. So this 3 tab, you can see the column mapping by clicking on this. And yep, so it will show if there is any failed item, it will show here. And yep, as I mentioned, number of columns found. This is the file name, this total number of rows, and you can click to open the files. And if I go here, all the files are initially here, but after processing, if it is processed successfully, it will move to the process folder here. Yep. That's it for now. Please try and let me know. Thank you.